Aaron. This afternoon, Mayor Norton joined the White House since leaders from the Twin Cities, highlighting how President Biden's Build Back Better framework could help the North Star states. KIMT News 3's Anthony Monzon joins us live with why the Med-City mayor is strongly supporting the president's plan. Anthony?
Well, Katie, President Biden's revised Build Back Better framework is about half the size of his original proposal, slimmed down after months of negotiations with lawmakers on Capitol Hill. But at $1.75 trillion, it still packs quite a hefty punch, according to the White House, and Mayor Norton agrees.
The president's Build Back Better and infrastructure bills are what this country needs. What families and cities desperately need.
Rochester Mayor Kim Norton backing President Biden's Build Back Better framework and accompanying infrastructure bill making their way through Congress. Highlights of the hefty $1.75 trillion BBB package include free preschool for more than 6 million children over the next 6 years, an extension of the child tax credit, and reductions in Affordable Care Act premiums.
There are so many working families who are just waiting for this type of help and relief. And this framework is going to give nearly 90% of American children's families this type of support. It's a historic tax credit. It'll cover the cost of food and housing, healthcare and transportation, and will continue the largest one-year reduction in child poverty in history.
For local leaders, the president's plan represents a chance to make headway on a number of key initiatives, among them a desperate need for affordable housing, with experts projecting the Med-City will need to build some 18,000 new units by 2030 in order to keep up with demand.
It is absolutely imperative that we deal with this from the federal level on down to the local level. And having a framework that will reduce the price pressures for homeowners and renters is absolutely key. The idea that there will be down payment assistance more available to families, particularly for first-generation home buyers, is key.
The BBB's over $550 million commitment to combating climate change pivotal, Mayor Norton says, to Rochester meeting its promise of a complete transition to renewable energy by 2030.
We are moving toward a district energy program in town that needs the support from the federal level. Also, bus rapid transit with electric buses is very new for us. Some of the larger cities have it, but we're moving in that direction again. And our first bus rapid transit line is a $114 million project.
And Mayor Norton continued by saying a $114 million project like the bus rapid transit line there isn't necessarily something a community of 122,000 people like Rochester can manage without help from the federal government. Live in Rochester, Anthony Monzon, KIMT News 3.
Thanks, Anthony. The White House says the Build Back Better framework is fully paid for and to reduce the deficit by making sure large corporations can't zero out on their tax bills.